What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy technoboy, and there you can see a mini soundbar and a stereo speakers. So they both are like USB powered speaker. That's from FND and that's from Onlite. So this thing, the soundbar is very good with two passive radiator. Hope you can see both of them and the drivers on both of the side. And those speakers, they are having little more than 2-inch woofer, I think 2.75 inch or something like that, but with big wooden enclosure. The front side is just plastic. So today I'm going to compare the sound between two of these, so you can understand which one to buy and which one is best for your PC or laptop or whatever. So I'm going to start with this FND and then going to play the song on the Onlite. So let's start the show.
Stars up in the sky, I got lost at night. Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, stars in the sky. Oh. Yeah, stars in the sky. Under the stars up in the sky, directions hard to find. Under the stars up in the sky, I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky.